Sudhi Shukla, you are watching Krishi Jagran. Here is our summary for the month. Dhanuka Agritech Limited organized a distributor meet for their Punjab and Haryana channel partners on 30th and 31st October at Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. In this event, Dhanuka launched its 393 products Kirari Nisodium, 1Kill and 194 products Tornado, and also awarded distributor for their outstanding performance. UPL Limited launches a smart technology-driven seed treatment solution Electron 3WM in the seed and plant health segment. In this product is cost-effective as it reduces the need for their foliar application in the initial stage of plant cycle, which leads to decrease in the cost of production. Bayer Crop Science and Agricultural and Environmental Science arm of Bayer AG inaugurates Bayer Learning Center in the Cuttack district of Odisha. It aims to provide the best technology and best practices to farmer learning. BASF Agricultural Solution and the SCN Coalition have designated October as SCN Action Month to provide growers with the information needed to make sound, successful agronomic decisions to defend against the devastating pest. Ambuja Cement Foundation launched a quick response platform. The digital platform included all training materials and can be stored for a longer period of time. The QR platform provides information to farmers anytime and anywhere. SN Highbridge launched a newest high-yielding corn hybrid, the SN Highbridge AFC 3318, developed by 3 years of research. AFC 3318 is an excellent yielder, have deep orange yellow grain color. Plant Me Agro Solution provide natural and chemical-free food to the society. Has received seed funding from Kanika Polypack Private Limited. The company is planning to utilize the undisclosed fund for expansion, augment buyback system to support farmers and enhance products and services. Helm Agro exclusively markets, sells and distributes all crop science biological products in the US. Dhanuka Agritech Limited launches 4 1Kill across 4 districts of Rajasthan, Sikar, Jhalawar, Kota and Baran. Retailers were happy to know about the offering by Dhanuka Agritech Limited to help growers to grow better and quality produce. VST, a leading manufacturer and producer of a wide range of small farm machinery including power trillers, power weeders, power reapers, brush cutters, introducing the ultimate Asli 17 horsepower tractor customized for the Indian farming conditions. Innoterra India, one of India's largest food producers and exporters through its business unit Desai Agri-Food, has signed a global partnership agreement with the Indian Council of Agricultural Research to develop a biopesticide against Fusarium wilt, popularly known as Panama disease. Mahindra New Farming as a Service business launched the release of Krishi app and Krishi Nidan app and features Manoj Bajpayee, one of the country's most versatile actors with family roots in farming. Ace bagged award for the best launch of its Ultra and Ultra Plus harvester at 3rd Apollo Farm Power Award 2021. Ace launches Ultra and Ultra Plus are lightweight harvester for the farmer of East, Central and South India. Safex Chemicals aims to fight brown plant hopper with its products such as Stroll, Sinistry Plus and Frost, which promises to effectively control it. BPS is an insect pest of rice that causes a total yield loss when attack is severe as a part of Enriching Agriculture initiative. Bharat Certis Agri-Science Limited, a group company of Mitsui Incorporation Limited, Japan, and the leading crop protection product company, launched its village outreach initiative under cooperative social responsibility. ESDS Software Solution Limited launches its digital platform Farmrath. It aims to assist the farmer in extracting maximum yield and thereby revenue for their piece of land by connecting them and relevant stakeholders in the agriculture ecosystem. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.